Flipped Cards. This is Brendan speaking. Today we're going to be opening 6 packs of the Carry On His Will One Piece trading card game, OP-13 English version. Let's get cracking. Beepo, York, Hera, Kozuki, Tom. The world's equilibrium cannot be maintained forever. Frankie, Makimo, Izo, Prometheus, Otama. Gotta love Otama. Ooh, look at that. The 5 elders. And how annoying is that? It's got a slight bend. I think it is. Slight little ding at the top corner here, which is very, very upsetting, because this is a cracking card. What a shame. Come out of the pack damaged. Unfortunately, that is how it goes. But that's a big, powerful card. Really good, really good. Okay, we got a Saint Roswald, Curly Dadan, the Empty Throne, Higuma, Paper Art After Image, Saint Yelmak, Emporio Avankov, guess we'll have another scrap. You can only risk death while you're still alive. Such a good sentiment. Edison, Nico Robin. As I said, still haven't seen Anami, which is a little sad. Scooper Gaban. The 5 elders are at your service. That's a pretty cool card as well. Good old Teach, Brooke, Koala, Gum Gatling Gun, The Laws Jr., Saint Joshard, Mushgard. I'd love to know how to pronounce that properly. Now, Brilliant Punk, Saint Sharia, Walpole, Phoenix Pineapple, Kozuki Iori. Haven't seen that card come come out previously. That's pretty cool. Oh, and that's a different Shanks to the one I got earlier. It's a very cool Shanks as well. It's the one-armed version of Shanks. Put him into a little protective colour. Very cool. Yeah, I like it. Vegapunk, Curiel, Beepo, Shaka, Douglas Bullet, Kobe, Paper Art After Image, Kazuki Odin, Jewelry Bonnie, Shinbei, Trafalgar Law. Oh, look at the Sabo. Oh, what a ripper of a card. I hope you're catching all of that. Once again, got a little... Oh no, that's not a bend. Thank goodness. Thought I'd copped another one of these with a bend in it. Very cool. Very, very cool card. Yeah, really impressed. I've got to say there's been some magnificent artwork on this set of cards in OP-13. Really enjoyed it so far. Let's open up this one. I think this is the penultimate pack. It is. Hera, Windmill Village, Gordon, Wood Slap, Frankie, Haruta, Lord of the Coast, still my least favourite card in the pack. Flamenco, Neko Mamushi. That's a pretty cool Monkey D. Luffy, red and green card. And there's Boa Hancock, madly in love with the old Luffy, and he has no idea. And Zorro, very cool, very cool, like it. Okay, last pack. We've now emptied out the box as well. We've gone through all 24 packs. It's taken 4 sittings, but it's been well and truly worth it in my view. Got York, Napoleon, Sunny-kun, Atmatsuki Toki, the world's equilibrium cannot be maintained forever, Boa Sandersonia, Tom, Atlas, Helmeppo, never existed in the first place. Oh, that's a brutal one. Saint Marcus Mars, an evil fella. Oh, and I got myself a gold D Roger. I reckon that's the first proper shiny Goldie Roger I've got. So, into a protective cover for him as well. A Goldie Roger, that's pretty dang cool. So, we had a real great bit of luck in that set of 6 cards. You got the Sabo. Love that card. That is so cool. Surprisingly, it's a black card. Still don't get with why we're putting the 5 Elders alongside the Revolutionary Guard. And that 5 Elders is very cool, but very annoyed. It's got a slight ding on the edge here, which nothing we can do about it. You got old Shanks. And this is the first one that hasn't been of him being young, so not sure if there's any significance to that. And as I said before, Goldie Roger is just a win. It's a good solid win of a card. I am very, very pleased with that. Anyway, thank you for watching, and bye.